Once upon a time, lived all animals in harmony, in a beautiful, mysterious forest. Yes, harmony was the key. Anger, joy, waved upon the forest like the ebb and flow of the moon. All was balanced. Tigers, birds, butterflies, beasts, snakes, and giant lizards would play together. They would have lived that way aeons of lives, aeons of breaths, of sunlight and starlight, for they knew the secret of this fleeting voyage on earth was balance. Not too much, not too less. Till that day, that strange day, when all seems alright and no one would have guessed. Look at those evil, hidden eyes. When darkness wants to live in darkness.
Precious womb. Indeed, darkness.
What's happening? What is it?
It's a nightmare! Let's run away!
Good job, you're going to be wealthy. Let's move now to something more interesting.
Vinitya arrived. He was very sad. Somebody had cut down the tree where he lived. His kin, children, and beloved one were no longer to be seen. His home was gone. Children, wife, where are you? I should never have left you here to chase new horizons.
new sunsets, new stars. You were my most precious jewels. I shall sleep here for eternity.
White Cat came close to Venetia.
Meow. Meow. There is no more shelter for me. No birds to catch. We are past alone. Meow. Meow. Where do we go? Where do we sleep? I shall sleep next to you, Vinitia. Meow. Meow. Meow.
What is it? Goodness me. What's happening? I shall have a solution. No. Stay. I need to travel on my own. But soon I'll be back. I promise. Rama sent them a kiss from the heart. A new family of animals was born. They all played together, worked together, told yarns. They loved to shout, "Strength through unity, yeah!" Soon Rama returned with something weird and mysterious that resembled a giant egg. She unwrapped it gently. All got closer to look at it.
What is it? What's that? It's a seed. Yes, it's a seed. Let me touch it.
Indeed, if you grow it with love and care, it will grow into something magic. Believe in the power of love. They all dug a big hole, then put the seed inside. Every day they would water the invisible
seed.
But one night, when all the animals no longer waited, something unexpected happened. The moon was full and aquamarine. The stars were bright, and a profound silence covered the forest. The moon was very close to the forest, and her rays cast a mysterious glow on the ground. It was dancing. The earth was like breathing and filled with invisible arteries pumping with sap. All in a sudden, one little shoot picked out from the seed and pushed its way up and up. Soon turned a big tree with beautiful boughs. At the end of the boughs, you could see tiny birds. Then birds became flowers, and flowers ripened into fruits. Below the trunk, The roots also spread out into branches and became thick and strong. When the morning came, everybody was surprised to see a big, huge mango tree, just like when darkness turned his power into life. Thanks to the magic of Rama, Vinitya was lucky that special night. His wife and children appeared in the shadow of the moon.
Days passed by. Rama was no longer to be seen. She had vanished as she had first appeared, like a magician or an enchantress. The legend said she had turned into a bird tree.
All the animals made a huge circle around the tree, wrote their names on it, would sing, would pray, would meditate endlessly. It was their new home, their last abode. They would cherish the tree, the tree of life.
Anemare tu e bate, matua.